Hello, LA Robotics Club. Do you guys remember this PCB? Yes, it is the adjustable voltage supply PCB that we worked with, I believe, 4 weeks ago. And I was able to assemble it on a breadboard. I hit a problem like a few minutes ago where this potentiometer released the magic smoke, so we're going to use different values of resistors to show you that this circuit works. So right now it's using no resistor where the potentiometer should have been right there, and it is showing a 5.78 volts. And I will put a 10k ohm resistor, and it should drop. There we go. Yes. So there's the 10k ohm. Let me try to focus it better now. Oh well, it's a 10k ohm, and it dropped to 5.67 volts. And I'm going to use a 1k ohm, 1 kilo ohm resistor, and it should drop even more. Put that in there. There we go. So that is a 1 kilo ohm resistor, and it's dropped to 5.38 volts. The adjustable voltage regulator is the LM317, and it is designed to go down to 1.25 volts as its lowest setting, and I believe it can reach 10 volts, maybe higher on the higher end of the voltage. And yeah, and that's it. And also, well, this is the circuit, and I left room so that whenever I use it I can assemble a circuit in this area. And yeah, that's it. Alright, have fun, guys.